Whoa! Oh my god! I'm pretty bad at wheeling, so today what we're going to do is go on a green patch of grass and learn how to wheelie. Let's go. So, yeah, this happened. I just saw it hanging off the bottom. It looks like I need a new one of these. Not sure when that happened, but the baby snapped. Gotta order a new one. Welcome to another day. And yeah, today we found this beautiful patch of grass behind this building. I don't know where I'm at. Yeah, I broke that thing, so I gotta order another one. I might need to order new brakes too, because it feels like I'm starting to lose like my brake power for some reason. But yeah, let's go learn some wheelies. Some wheelies. Everything is so overgrown. Just make sure there's nothing around. So I feel like if I dump my bike here somewhere, it won't be as bad as dumping it on the ground. Oof, that was a good pop. Oof. This is what I'm like worried of, is that. Scary. A little bit of flatness right here. He just keeps wanting to dump me sideways. Maybe, just maybe. Oof. It's just so torquey, bro. I'm taking my hand off the brake to try to control the bike. A very bad habit. Should always have my hand on the brake. Come on. Oof. Come on. Don't get scared. Just ride it out a little bit. Just ride it out a little bit. Oh, what the fuck? Brother, I didn't get my knee pads. Oh, I'm feeling lovely. Oh. Fuck it. We're gonna get it, no worries. Little by little. I wanna go there, but it's all like blocked away by gates on every corner. Damn. No knee pads, what the fuck? What was I thinking? Got all the PPE besides my knee pads. It's just, oh my god, it's so little. I need to pick it up, dude. It's just scary. Getting a little, like now I'm on a whoop whoop, you know, instead of just one. Now I'm on like brop brop. Now I need to get like 3 consecutive ones. That was more feet. I'm gonna wait out a second. Take a second break. Oh, let's try it a few more times. 75% sport mode. Ooh. That was a nice pop though. Whoa! I feel like the pop's getting better. Just like starting to feel a little bit of control over the top end of the bike. Oh my god. That was 3. That was good. Like, there was still a power wheelie, which I gotta get out of that state. State of the power wheelie. But I'm learning to keep my hand on the brake, so that's good. Oof. Oh. But I feel like with hours of practicing every day, it will get better. Gotta stop being scared of flipping. Still a power wheelie. Still not going back. You see, like that little jig. Oh, I can't stop like my hands from going over, and that's like scares the living fuck out of me. Okay. Alright, so every time I throw it back is when I'm able to like pick up the wheel. So let's focus on that without letting go of the brake. Power wheelie. Fuck. Gotta learn control. Oh. That second one, I just can't pull it. Oh. So I'm starting to get it. Very slowly. Like, I know where... Whoa! That was 3, bro! Jeez! Come on. Oh! Little by little. We go from 1 to 2 to 3. Now we're gonna get... Just to pick up the wheel a little bit higher. And do at least a triple drop. Dude! So fucking exhilarating, holy fucking shit. I think that'll be it for today, because I'm starting to get like tired to the point where I'm not picking it up at all. And it's because I'm terrified of flipping this bike. See, like I'm starting to get that boom. Maybe I should just try to pick it up without dropping it. Your hands, after a few hits, just like, my hands hurt. Oof. Stop being scared. Oh my god! That's the furthest I've gone. Still like / power wheelie though. But oh my god! Oh shit! That was like consecutive long pickups. That'll be it for today. Bro, my hands like hurt. It hurts to like pull the throttle. But we did good, man. For first day, learning wheelies, not bad. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in. Next video is gonna be better. I'll have knee pads on so hopefully I will have more balls to pick up the wheel. These houses are just so cool. These are my neighbors. I feel like we already made it, but it's like halfway there. Not even. maybe like 1/3 of the way there. Soon, baby. This is amazing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys at the next video. Peace.